In this video, you will know how to create AIBI report in Databricks. If you see this notebook code, the summary is here we are creating a goal table, and then we are creating a features, and then we are training the model, and then loading the model, and then generating the forecast, and then write forecast into a goal table for downstream use. And with CBI ready KPI view we are creating, and then we are running this query. Initially, we are creating a goal table. Here, just if any table is present, just before doing that, I'm dropping the table. And creating a goal table with some dummy data, and from range 30 means 30 rows will be generated. Then the next step is I'm just selecting all from a goal sales daily table, whatever created in the previous step. You can see that 30 rows are created. And the next step is we are creating a one goal table where we load our forecast data. Here we are creating one table. Later we will use this goal. We will use this table goal underscore sales underscore forecast as select all from. This is the how we are selecting and creating from goal sales daily table. So this table we created here, and then this is the from goal sales daily table. And this step we create features. One is time index feature, and another one is lag feature. So here we are importing pandas and importing numpy, and we are creating a pandas data frame here from the table goal sales daily table order by sales date. And then we are creating a time index feature based on the data frame index. So that is called day index we are creating. So now day index is created, and then we are also creating one more feature that is called lag underscore one feature. That is a revenue shifter one, that is previous day's revenue. And then we are dropping the rows with missing values from lag feature and selecting the features for model input. These are our day index and lag one. These two are the features we need. And selecting the target variable for prediction. This is our variable for prediction, that is y. Y is equal data frame of revenue. So next step, we are creating a model. Here we are importing the libraries. Those are required to create a model. And here we are creating a signature, infer model input output signature. And it is calculating the mean absolute error and predict on training data. And these are the model predictions. This model, we are using linear regression for modeling. We are using the linear regression model. And then the model we are registering with the name is sales underscore forecast model. If you see the models, you can see once if it is successful in the models, you can click on that, you can see the model is created. Once the model is successful, we need to load the model using MLflow pipe function. We need to load the model with the name. So the model we already created with the name sales forecast underscore model using version 2. This is we are loading with the values. Now forecasting. Now we are forecasting. Generate the AI forecast revenue for each row in the data frame using the trained model. The model, whatever is trained, that we are using, and we are predicting revenue for each row. And prepare the input features for forecasting the next day's revenue also. This is how we are predicting the next day's revenue. So enforce the correct data types for model input features and predict revenue for the next day using the trained model. So this is how we are getting the value for the next day revenue. So tomorrow forecast, just print and see that the value is generated here. Then once is a right forecast, whatever forecast it is generated here, that we are writing into a goal layer. How? These are the in the result data frame. These are the required fields we need. One is sales date, second region, third revenue, fourth AI forecast revenue. And then we are creating the result data frame from the result PDF that generated in the previous step. Result from the result PDF, that is the column, and then we are creating a data frame. Then this result spark data frame writing into a table goal sales AI forecast that we are overwriting. So now we are creating a view. That is the view with the sales date, region, revenue, AI forecast revenue, revenue minus AI forecast revenue as a forecast variance, and this is the original revenue and this is the forecast revenue, and difference will give you the variance. And in case when revenue is greater than forecast revenue, original value is greater than forecasted, then it is above forecast, else it is below forecast. And as performance flag, and from gold sales AI forecast. So this view we will use it for the reporting purpose. So if you want to go to your SQL editor, where in the SQL editor, where you will see that by selecting average of absolute value, taking no minus, revenue minus AI forecast revenue by revenue percentage as forecast error percentage. From gold sales KPI, this is the view name, and selecting these values. Now after running this forecast error percentage, it is showing that the forecast error, it is this is the value. So this is how we can create AIBI reports with Databricks.